So we're going to create a physical skylight. You can find out the light's physical sky. Just click create it. We are getting a sphere. It's like a physical sky is covering the whole scene. Check the render out. See, in the color panel there is a map which is coming to the physical sky attributes. You can change the values. It's like turbidity, it is changing the color tone of lights. It's getting a little yellowish tint for the value 10 and 1. It will be having a light bluish tint. The same ground albedo can be changed. See, it's like more bounce light happening from the ground. Elevation. It will show the direction, to which direction our sunlight will, the skylight will fall. See, it's like a morning light. Slowly the shadow is coming down. So then comes azimuth values. You could find out different changes of light tones. Then you can change the intensity if you want a brighter sky. The physical sky, you can make more intensity. You can change the sky tint color. If you want a different color tone, you can add. If you want to make it red, then you get a red tone of the sky. It's a green, yellow. So just check the light tone will get changed. Then sun tint. You could find out the highlight color which is casting from the sun. You could change the color tone of that highlighted color. You can change, can update it. Even if you want, you can increase the sun size. If you don't want sun, you switch off this enable sun options. The sun will not get added to the lighting scene. So I'm enabling the sun. So these are the options of physical sky. So just go through this and you can update your lighting using the physical skylight. And if you come back to the main sky dome light shape node, exposure values are there. If you want to increase or decrease the brightness, you can change the exposure. Same, if you increase the samples, you will get the more quality or renders, but it will be little time consuming. And cast shadows, set options. Same thing, if you don't want to render this sky on background, switch off the camera visibility value to 0. Same, you're going to edit the visibility of different components. Now you had made the visibility value 0 for camera and the camera attributes are not rendering. Same like transmission, you can reduce it or you can remove by adding 0. Then diffuse, it will reduce the brightness. Then by default all the values will be 1, and these are the options on which you can edit and update your scene perfectly. So this is the specular, the shiny part of this mesh. Fill can be edited or reduced or increased by changing the values of the specular. The same things for the same options for almost all the lights. Subsurface scattering, indirect, volume, just check all these values and update your lighting. So texture resolutions, no more option, then you can start working and update your scene.